Colleagues, how are you? Hope you are staying safe and keeping your area safe and secure. I'm here today to explain you how to disinfect and how to use the disinfectant onto your duster, because we have noticed some of the colleagues are using the chemical in the wrong way. So let me explain you how you're going to disinfect your high touch point areas, which are being highlighted by our safe space as well as in Qatar Clean. Take a duster, take your disinfectant, which is Pro 14 disinfectant, spray onto the duster 2 or 3 times and come to your high touch point area, which is your doorknob. Thoroughly disinfect the doorknob and all the touch points where you are possibly touching the door with your bare hands. Once you disinfected this, you move to your next touch points, which is your electrical switches and your thermostat. Again, apply some chemical like 1 trigger and disinfect the buttons where you have touched while putting the light off or on. Then you move to your thermostat. Go ahead and wipe the thermostat thoroughly, especially the buttons where you are touching the buttons. Then in our offices, this practice must be applied into your accommodation as well. When in your office, you have a wider area of your desk, your computer, keyboard, your mouse, you need to make sure you're not spraying directly onto the surface. The key is always you are putting the chemical onto the duster, applying it onto duster, depend on the surface, how big the surface is. Spread the chemical like 3 to 4 triggers on a bigger surface, and then you go ahead, you wipe your desk thoroughly. You don't need to rub and rub, you just wipe. You make sure you apply the chemical nicely onto the desk and disinfect. Now there are 2 parts. One where you are sitting, you are touching the area, and on the opposite side where anybody else is coming and sitting and touching the area, so you need to disinfect that area. Same thing applies, same rule applies. Once you are disinfecting your keyboard, you don't spray on it, you spray on the duster. Thank you very much.